Hello viewers, welcome again to this YouTube channel. The last time we had introduced Word and the small editing and formatting features in Word. So today we are going to tackle one of the applications of Word, that is creating a table of content. A table of content, I'm sure most people know, but for those who don't know, a table of content is that reference point majorly at the beginning of each and every textbook or at all different reports or major bigger journals or even a novel. That's simply a table of content which shows you where a specific topic lies in the book. So now for today, we won't waste time, we shall just look at table of contents, which is an application of Microsoft Office Word. I already have a sample document here. Let it open, of which we shall use on how to create our table of content. Let the document open. Yeah, it has opened here. So for this document, it's just like a report which has been created by me, probably here. It's just a report of some few pages here. So now for a table of content, you have to first start by looking for all your headings, all your subtitles, and all your titles and subtitles, and even subtitles if it exists. It will give you the option for all those ones. So this is our cover page. Let's go down, and this is the acknowledgement. You know, most books can have the acknowledgement, so we shall still leave that before editing. Then we shall go to the dedication. That one is also, we shall leave it. Then here is now our first heading, introduction. That one now will have to appear in the table of content, but there can be 2 sections or even 3. It depends on what you want. That part, that preliminary page where there will be introduction, your dedication, and the acknowledgement. So for you to separate it on the numbering, you have to apply a page break. So now a page break, if you want to apply it to differentiate between this preliminary and the body of your book. So you have to bring your cursor at the last word here. Then now you come to page layout, then you come to page break and section breaks here. So now here you already having 2 different breaks of your page where if you're numbering, it will give you that chance to label this, to number these other preliminary pages differently than your actual pages of your work, of the content, separately also here. So now from here, if you want to number, you come to insert, then you come to page number, and if you go to page number, if you go to insert page number, you can come here, insert page number, then you come and look for how your number should appear here. Then also, let me close this header here. Also, you can edit how your page numbering appears by just coming to format page numbers. And if you want it to appear in this way, 1, 2, 3 in figure form, it's okay, but mostly the preliminary pages appear in Roman numerals. So let's also use that, and okay. Yeah, so now if you scroll through, you can see that now your preliminary pages are appearing in Roman numeral, right? Yeah. So now after the page break here and after the dedication, these other pages you are not yet edited. So now you come back where your page break had occurred, then also you put your cursor in that specific page, then you also come back to page number and you format your page. Now this one, let's make it to appear in the figure form, 1, 2, 3 form. And now continue from previous section. No, let's start it at 1 because it's a new part of the document. Then it's now you click OK. So you see your numbering changing from page changing from 1, 2, 3, 4 here like that. And now the most important part of table of content is you to figure out which heading is the title, the subtitle, and the subtitles. So now let's make this, it's not advisable, but let's make it to be our reference point. Our everything having, let's make this be our reference point. You have to click in between that section of the heading, then you come to home and you apply the formatting from here. This is our heading 1. Then now you can right click and format it. Even you come to modify, then now you apply whatever you want to happen to your heading. Like here, heading 1, let's leave it heading 1. If you want it to be in certain font style, yeah, it's okay. Let's make it to be arrow rounded. Then also you can increase the font size. And so now this specific word formatting features will apply to all heading 1s. Then you click it OK. Then now it has been applied here. So you go to where you find your dot here. It's also heading 1. You click. Heading 1. Heading 1. You click, but unfortunately all ours is heading 1. But if there were even other subheadings, you would go to 2, 3, 4 until the last. So you apply just the formatting features just by clicking like that, just like that, and it comes in. And it comes in. So this is our heading 1. Chapter 2, it becomes a different heading. Chapter 1 is heading 1, then this is heading 2. So this one here, you come and apply heading 2, then you format it. You also format it by modifying. Then you come here, you make it at least a different font style with maybe a less also font size, and you change also the color here. Yeah, then you click OK. So that will be applied for heading 2. Then this will be our, this one, let it be heading 2. Then this is heading 1. You get to see, then this is heading, let me see, this is heading 2. This is heading 2. And this is heading 2 also. This is heading 2. This is heading 1. You have to be keen, And this is heading 1. Yeah, so now we are done with applying we are done with formatting our headings. So fortunately we already have even a blank page here, because for table of content it normally appears before the part of the document. So now here in this blank page here, you come and click it so that you bring the cursor there. Then you come to insert here. Then at the left corner there will be, no, not to insert, you come to references. Then at the left corner there is table of contents. Then you click in there. You see how you want your table of contents to appear. Then how you want your table of contents to appear, then you apply that specific part here. And here comes your table of content. So now after clicking the table of contents, you come and select how you want it to appear here. Then now show labels here, just click OK. And here comes your table of content, and here you see it will show that specific page where that specific part of the data is. Then yeah, you can save your work just for easy reference. Then for in case you update your data, you also come here, then click update table of content. Only you update your table of content after inserting some other thing. Thank you. Another time we catch up. Thank you for following my video. Like and subscribe.